To help you be more precise, Vim differences between word in lowercase and a word in uppercase. So word versus word. Let's see what the difference is between word and word. So if we go down and we type W to move word by word, we would see something weird. W, we're in the first letter of return. W, we're in the quotes. W, we're in the I. And with W, we're in the S of salute. Here, in the previous word, you could see this as being just a single word, or you could see this as being two different words. And that's the difference between a word in uppercase and a word in lowercase. A word in lowercase is a collection of letters, digits, and underscores separated by whitespace, whereas a word in uppercase is any non-black character separated by whitespace. So in Vim, we can move word by word, as you saw, but we can also move word by word in uppercase by using the uppercase version of the commands you've learned in the previous episode. So if we type W in uppercase, it's Shift W, we will jump to the quote, but now if we type again, instead of going to the I, we go to the salute. These can be very helpful when moving around because a lot of times we don't want to stop in every curly braces, every parens, we just want to go forward. So for instance here, if we don't want to stop on all the little characters between here and name, we can just use the uppercase W, just hop over that. And likewise, to do Shift D, we do the same but backwards. In general, you will want to use the lowercase word when you want to do precise changes and only affect a word. For instance, here we could do change inside a word, and you can see how that only affects the word inside all these special characters. And where we to do change inside a word with the uppercase word will be affecting everything there. So you can see the difference. We use lowercase word, it's more precise. Whereas if we use uppercase word, uppercase W, we just move faster. So in general, lowercase word, precise, uppercase word, faster movements. But in the end, what they do is give you more options, more control on how you edit your text and move around your file. So in summary, use the uppercase versions of the commands above to work on uppercase words.